So do you want to?
Okay. Just here at the Hard Rock, and where are we at? Mexico somewhere, right?
Yeah,
Cancun. All right. So here with a bunch of buddies, we're about to get ready to play a little cash flow on our Sunday so we can rock our world, get more acquainted with the world of real estate and making money, and let's, about to have a fun game. But I'm going to introduce you to a couple of my friends and let them explain what the biggest takeaway they've taken from our company and what they like about it.
How's it going, everybody? My name is Pono. I'm out of Hawaii. It's a great place to be right now here in Cancun, Mexico. Being able to share some time with some great friends of mine throughout the business, playing some cash flow, just sharing some knowledge amongst good people, building a network throughout the nation. So, like, if you get to see this video and you're watching this gentleman right here, hey, by all means, tap into what he knows. This guy knows 110% about what we do. He's really so 100% into everything with real estate and even velocity banking. Now, imagine this, right? Imagine this. Having access to an education system that can help you pay off your 30-year mortgage in a fraction of the time. See, if you can get that done, I can promise you this process will help set you free. So with that being said, again, I'm Pono. Take care, take charge. God bless. Shaka.
Oh, is it my turn too? Yeah. Okay. Hello, Facebook Live. This is Chris Charles coming out of Atlanta, Georgia. Just met some really good friends here. You just heard from Pono. He's awesome. Looking forward to playing this cash flow game on a Sunday in Cancun, Mexico, with the top real estate investing education platform in the country. You can't beat it. If you're seeking, definitely look no further, because it's nothing like, learning about cash and the flow of cash on a Sunday. God bless.
Okay.
Oh, I can hold it.
Okay.
Hey, this is Karen from Spokane, here to play cash flow through Cancun. I haven't even had a drink.
Me neither.
Cash flow teaches you how to learn how to do real estate for real without losing money. So I've been investing for 25 years in Spokane. And even the education platform taught me things that I didn't know, especially about financial freedom and the velocity banking. So we're getting ready to play. Here's the game. How do we do that?
Yeah, it's down there.
There you go.
There you go. I see it.
Oh, turned it too much.
Okay. All right. Well, just thought we'd plug in, let you know, sitting around with a bunch of investors, successful investors. They've been applying the knowledge that they've gained, and they use it to increase profits above and beyond what they were already doing. If you're looking for a better life, if you're looking for a way that you can achieve greater success, we have multiple platforms. I mean, one platform but multiple educations that will help you get from where you're at right this moment and take you to the next level. We teach you all areas of business and real estate, so success is yours. All you have to do is sit there and apply the knowledge with our community, which is there to support you. Well, I have to get in. We have to start this game. Playing cash flow for the first time for the game. Otherwise I've just played in real life. So signing off. I hope you, if you feel like it, reach out, and we can talk about what I do, what we do, how we do it, and how you benefit and profit by being part of the process. Anyway, we're signing off. Bye.